Germany's former Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock has been elected President of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly. Baerbock won a strong mandate with 167 votes, far surpassing the required 88. At age 44 years old, she becomes one of the youngest leaders to hold the role and notably the first woman from Western Europe to serve in this position. In her first address, Baerbock emphasized the theme Better Together, promising inclusivity, transparency, and an open-door leadership style. Her top priorities: modernizing the UN, accelerating sustainable development, and advancing inclusive multilateralism with a strong focus on gender equality. In a historic moment, Timor-Leste has also been elected Vice President of the General Assembly for the first time, joining countries like Argentina, Kenya, and Saudi Arabia, alongside the UN Security Council's permanent members. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres praised Baerbock's leadership, noting the UN faces deep challenges, including rising mistrust, global division, and slow progress on development goals. Despite these trials, Baerbock affirmed nothing would be better without the United Nations. We must work better together. Filomeno Martins, Camilo de Souza, TATOLI.